Hey, it's Marissa here. Today we're going to be drawing a Leprechaun Unicorn Dabbing. The first step we're going to take is to draw the hat. So the hat is just going to be a curved line like this. And then once you have that curved line, kind of go down straight. Now we're going to make the curve on the top, go just like this. And then once you have that line, go down, down, down a bit, and then stop right there. Now we're going to create the unicorn's ear. The ear is going to go right here on the top. So it's kind of curved down like this. And then once you have that, go down again. There's an ear. Now let's do part of the hair. The hair is going to start right kind of in the middle of the ear and then make like a swoop down like this. Once you have that swoop, we're going to go down just a bit more and then follow the curve kind of down, up, and into the ear. Now let's make another line kind of going down like that and then swoop again up to the ear. There we go. Now let's make the unicorn's horn come out this way. I'm going to draw the unicorn so that the horn goes up, 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 kind of straight past the hat. And then we're going to curve down just like that into the hair. Now let's make little lines like this to show that it's spiraling down. One more, there we go. Now let's create part of the face. So I'm going to start kind of at the ear and then draw a curve out and in. There we go. Now draw a line that goes down and around. That'll be part of the nose. And then I'm going to make the arm kind of like dabbing through the head. So let's create kind of a curve that goes like this, just like that. And then once you have that curve, go around, 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 and then come back in like this. We're going to follow that same line. So go around and then stop. I'm going to make a curved line for the hoof. There we go. And then for the nose, I'll create the little nostrils by just making a curve and then another curve to close it. Same thing on the other side. A curve and then another curve to close that one. Now I'm going to make the eye. It's just going to be a curve like this, and you're welcome to make it a girl unicorn if you want. You just add eyelashes. Since my hair and the hand don't touch, I'm going to make just a little curve right there, and then I'm going to curve it back in so that nothing's left over. There we go. Now let's create the other arm. I'm going to start at the head and then go around and up like this. Once you go to where you want your hoof to be, you're going to close it off just like this. And then you're going to go inwards all the way to about right here. Let's create that hoof by making a curve just like this line. And then I'm going to make a little line right there. Now let's create part of the body. I'm going to start on this side where the arm is and then go down a bit like this. Now curve around and then we're going to make another curve up and over. It's going to be the legs. Now once you have that line, I'm going to make a curve again that goes up a bit. Once you start to go up, keep going up, 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 and then stop at the arm. I'm going to make my arm kind of go past that line just like this. Now let's create more hooves just by making a curve like this, another curve like that. And then he's going to have some hair that's going to come out of the ear with another little swoop. So go like that up, and then follow that same curve to go in. I'm going to make another curve that goes up like this, and then curve it in. One more. I'm going to make it go up, and then curve it in. And then since I have a little space here, I'll make one more that goes up and then in. There we go. Now you can leave your unicorn like this, or you could draw a little bow tie. Mine's gonna have a little St. Patrick's bow tie. It's gonna have a curve, that's a circle, and then go ahead and draw a curve up, and then draw a little curved line like this. Now we're gonna come back to that circle. That's one part of the bow. On the other side, same thing, draw a curve around. This time I'm gonna start kind of in the middle of the bow and then go in, bow tie. Since we have all this magical hair, I'm looking at it and I can put some more hair kind of coming down like this, just a few more. I'm gonna make that curve again and then curve back in. One more, curve out and back in. You're welcome to make his beautiful mane go all the way down, but it's up to you, because I'm gonna draw a rainbow coming out of his little tail. So first I need to draw a pot of gold. The pot of gold is gonna be just a curved line like this. And then once you have that curve, I'm gonna make a little line down. Same thing on the other side, a little line down, and then go in again. Now we're gonna make that like a big curve around for the pot. Since you have these, let's make the gold coming out. So I'm gonna draw little bumps like this, and those are gonna be the gold. So it's just kind of random wherever you want the bumps to be, but make it go all the way across. And then you could draw some more little lines to show that there's a lot of gold in here. And once you color it, it's gonna look even better because it's gonna be yellow. Now let's draw that rainbow tail. I'm gonna start where a tail should be and then make a rainbow curved around into the pot. Now let's create some more rainbow lines. I'm gonna make another one go around, and you're just following those lines that you made. So keep going around, and you're welcome to stop whenever you'd like. I'm gonna try to get all the way to the end if I can. There we go. Now that you have your rainbow, come back to your hat. I see that I can add a little detail, but it's totally up to you. Now here is our nice leprechaun rainbow unicorn dabbing. Let's color him in. Here's our dabbing leprechaun unicorn. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what kind of things you want to see drawn next time. And I will see you next time if you subscribed. Bye!